In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a handwritten text reveal in Adobe Premiere Pro. We're going to simulate a handwriting effect by revealing text with a moving mask. It's simple, effective, and works great for titles, lower thirds, or any creative opener. I'll walk you through typing your text, masking it, animating the mask path, and then refining the look so it feels smooth and intentional. Start by adding your text. Select the Type tool or press T on your keyboard, click in the program monitor, and type your phrase. Pick a clean font that resembles handwriting or a bold script for extra impact, then adjust size and spacing to taste. Use the selection tool to position the text exactly where you want it. Keeping the text clear and large enough to see the strokes will make the reveal easier to animate. Next, apply a mask directly to the text in the Effect Controls panel. With the text clip selected, head to Effect Controls and choose the pen tool in the opacity section. Draw a narrow mask that follows the first stroke of the first letter. Think of it as a slim shape that sits on top of the ink, slightly wider than the stroke itself. Close the shape to complete the mask. If the wrong area is visible, toggle the inverted option so only the masked area shows through. Now animate the mask path to create the handwriting. Turn on keyframing by clicking the stopwatch next to mask path at the point where you want the animation to begin. Move the playhead forward a few frames, then reposition or reshape the mask so it follows the next segment of the letter. Continue moving forward in small increments and advancing the mask across the text letter by letter. Add more keyframes around curves and corners to keep the movement precise. Play it back to check that the reveal feels like a pen traveling across the text. Finally, refine the look. Add a small amount of mask feather to soften the edges, just enough to blend without blurring the letters. If the mask is too tight or too loose, adjust mask expansion slightly to fine-tune coverage. For timing, drag keyframes closer together for faster strokes or spread them out for slower ones. To smooth the motion, right-click keyframes and use easing so the mask accelerates and decelerates naturally. Scrub through and tweak any abrupt jumps. A quick tip, zoom in while adjusting the mask and use fewer cleaner points to avoid wobbly edges. And that's it. You've created a convincing handwritten text reveal using a simple animated mask. Save your project, preview in full, and enjoy the polished result.